Hello and welcome to this very first YouTube video on my channel. My name is MrGrey and I will be taking you through some entertainment. In today's video, I will be terraforming planet Mars into a habitable planet. We will see life growing on that planet. So let's get started. If you are a space and astronomy fan, you will probably know what you're looking at. If not, I am using a simulator called universesandbox. Using this simulator, we will be going through a series of videos about terraforming whatever rocky planets or moons there is in our solar system. We will terraform all of that into habitable planets. And we're going to be starting by the easiest one, should be the easiest, and that is planet Mars. Let's turn the flashlight on. Yep, that looks better. Now, if I go to the properties of the planet, here I can change everything, literally everything manually, and make this planet habitable. But we're gonna make a rule. We're not allowed to do that. We are only allowed to change the atmosphere manually, because basically there's no other way for me to give a planet or an object a thicker atmosphere. Everything else we will be adding using the tools I have down here. Now, Mars actually has already an atmosphere. It's really thin, doesn't really allow it to keep the temperature, which makes the average temperature on the surface is like based on universesandbox. That's minus 95.9 Celsius. There is no way life can start under these circumstances. So to increase the temperature, we're gonna need to make the atmosphere thicker on the planet. But first thing first, we're gonna add some water. I'm gonna just speed up time a little bit. All right, that should be good. And gently, I'll start adding some water. I have here an option called settle liquid. When I click on that, the planet will equalize the liquids on the surface. We will just basically skip time by clicking that. It's not really breaking the rules. So it's now year 2030. Took the planet about 6 years to reach this temperature. We have an average temperature. At highest, it's almost 30 degrees. Lowest, it's 60.6, like minus 60.6, which is really good. So we're gonna need to change the atmosphere again. Let's set it to 0.8 Earth atmosphere mass, and let's change that to, I don't know, five layers should be actually good, I think, to keep the temperature from going higher or lower. Let's speed up time to see the effect. Okay, it's getting cold, so we're gonna need to add more layers, I guess. And increase it to 0.9 maybe. That should help. Well, we have to try. The temperature is still dropping. We need more layers, I think. 8 layers. So I have waited even many years until the planet realized the new atmosphere and the changes we made. It's now 2039 and the planet finally settled at 36.2 at highest and minus 50.6 at lowest. It has about 0.9 Earth atmosphere mass and only 3 layers of atmosphere. So basically, yeah, the planet looks good, has some frozen areas, but that's okay. Enough water, of course. If we go to the composition and go down to what's called life likelihood, we're gonna notice that the planet has 81% Earth similarity, and life likelihood, it's like 30.4%. There is a chance that the planet will support life. How do I know if we have succeeded? I will just go to the visuals and ask the simulator to show me vegetation, and straight we're gonna see everything turning into green. See, these are green vegetations, which is really good. Now, this is the moment of truth, and during this series, this will always be our moment of truth. Are we going to see city lights? Yes, we are. As you see, like on the planet Earth, at the dark side, when it's night, you can see the lights of the city. So officially, we have terraformed Mars into a habitable planet. However, we're not gonna stop here. Now I will unleash like my imagination. If there will be life on planet Mars, I don't think it's gonna look like life on planet Earth. So let's change that. We go to visuals. Let's change the color of the atmosphere. It is really beautiful, but still we're gonna change that. Mars will have a red atmosphere. Kind of. I think this looks okay. Yep, that's the atmosphere of Mars. And let's now hide in the visuals the atmosphere and try to change the color of the liquids. I don't like that the liquids have blue color, just like on the planet Earth. Let's change that into something weird. I don't know. Blue looks like poisonous. No. Alright, we will stick to green. I think if there will be any civilization on planet Mars, they're gonna be evil civilizations, so they drink green water. Okay, let's change the color of the vegetations. Realistically, no, I have no idea what do these people plant on their planet, but they don't have green grass. They have this color, which is kind of brown. I'm not really good with colors, and they do not use the lights we use on the planet Earth. They don't use this golden color, but they use also green. Jesus, what are we looking at? Wait a minute. City lights, green. Let's do red. Yeah, red. They're really evil. And let's turn the atmosphere on again. This looks weird. This looks dark, dangerous, and weird, and I do not want to live there. So we have reached the end of this video. We successfully terraformed planet Mars into a habitable planet. If you liked the video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to see this series going further. We will be, like I said, terraforming all the planets, all the rocky planets in our solar system, and at the end of this series, we're gonna replace all the planets and we will make a habitable solar system. So this is MrGrey, thanks for watching and see you in future videos.